Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to scale a YouTube Shorts channel fast in 2026 using the latest growth strategies that work right now. So if you want more views, more subscribers and faster results, make sure that you watch this video till the very end. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on your youtube.com studio. So once you are here, you can click on the option of analytics. Here in the analytics, you will see all of the metrics relating to your shorts videos. So here you need to look for how many videos you are consistently uploading on your shorts channel. Now remember that consistency is the number one key to scaling your YouTube channel. So YouTube tests each shorts with the new audience. So the more you upload, the faster you find the winners. So make sure that you are uploading at least 3 to 5 high quality shorts every single week. The second thing that you need to do is to simply go to the contents tab. Over here, click on the option of shorts. Now you need to check those videos that have the best retention and replays. Now you need to make more shorts with the same hook, with the same pace and topic, and this is going to help you scale your winners. In the third step, you will have to build a recognizable style. For that, you can use thumbnails, which you can create with the help of Canva. You need to make sure that your videos has a similar type of font styles and colors, on-screen text style as well. So consistency help the viewers remember and subscribe to you instead of just swiping away. In the fourth step, you need to create a loopable content and where you started or leave a hint so that viewers watch the video again. Rewatches is equal to explosive reach is equal to the viral push. You can also give CTA like wait, did you watch that? You can watch again. You can also give another CTA to your videos instead of asking them for subscribing. So this way, by using all of these things in mind, you will be able to scale a YouTube Shorts channel fast in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.